Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity COCOMI has urged the central government to exercise caution and refrain from hastily extending suspension of Operation SoO with KUKI armed groups in Manipur without thorough scrutiny. Representatives of COCOMI visited New Delhi yesterday, wherein they submitted a 5-point memorandum to the Prime Minister regarding the critical situation surrounding the potential extension of SoO truce with KUKI militants. COCOMI expressed concern over the approaching expiration date of the SoO pact with KUKI narco-terrorist groups on February 28th. The committee noted that despite numerous extensions since 2008 under the guise of political dialogue, the progress in the peace process remains elusive. It added that there have been repeated and flagrant violations of the agreement's ground rules, exacerbating the already volatile situation in Manipur. It asserted that the recent escalations of violence in Manipur have provided stark evidence of the direct involvement of KUKI militant groups in targeted attacks against Indian Army and State Police personnel. It maintained that the reality underscores the urgent need for caution and re-evaluation of any decisions regarding the extension of the SoO agreement. It further expressed discontentment over the centre's alleged failure to take decisive action, adding that the same is not only concerning but potentially illegal, undermining the rule of law. It demanded immediate and decisive action to address SoO ground rule violations and illegal activities perpetrated by these groups, as well as to prioritize the safety and security of the indigenous people. Failure to heed these caution risks further destabilizing Manipur and compromising the safety and security of its citizens, COCOMI said, and reiterated its commitment to working towards a sustainable peace process in the state.